In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go ghost in Life 360.
Okay.
First, let's open the Life 360 app. You will see the home screen with a map displaying your current location and the locations of your circle members. This is where all the magic happens. By launching the app, you're gaining access to a powerful tool that helps you manage your location sharing. It's essential to stay connected with your friends and family while also having control over what they see. This step is simple, but it sets the stage for everything else we will do today. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to proceed. Next, tap your profile picture, which is often displayed as an avatar in the top corner of your screen. This action takes you to your profile settings, where you can customize your preferences. Your profile picture represents your identity within the app, so it's important to tap it for accessing features that will help you manage your location sharing. You'll notice various options available to you in this section. This is an important step because it allows you to control your privacy settings effectively.
Okay.
Now, let's tap on the option that says Create a Bubble. When you do this, you will be guided to a new screen where you can set up a temporary location sharing feature. Bubbles allow you to share your approximate location with circle members, which is a great way to maintain some privacy. This process is crucial because it gives you flexibility in managing how much information you want to share. After tapping, you'll see the bubble settings come into play, preparing you for the next part. Once you are on the bubble screen, you will see a slider that you can drag to choose the bubble size. This slider allows you to define how far away from your actual location you want to share with others. You can choose a small bubble that shares your location within a few blocks or a larger one that encompasses several miles. This feature is particularly useful when you want to keep your exact whereabouts private but still want to let others know you are nearby. Adjusting the bubble size is key to maintaining your privacy. After selecting the size, it's time to decide how long you want this bubble to stay active. You can choose a duration of up to 6 hours. This time frame is significant because it gives you control over how long you want to share your approximate location. Setting a time limit ensures that you won't be sharing your location indefinitely, which helps protect your privacy. Make sure to consider how long you'll need this feature before moving to the next step. Finally, tap Done to activate the bubble. Once you do this, your selected settings will be saved and your approximate location will start sharing according to the parameters you set. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the bubble is now active. This is the moment when you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with controlling your location visibility. Remember, you can always return to adjust or deactivate this feature as needed. With that completed, you now know how to use the bubble feature in Life 360 to go ghost. By following these steps, you can manage your privacy while still staying connected. It's a simple yet effective way to control your location sharing, ensuring peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Life 360 with confidence.